Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. Welcome to my tasting video. The reason why I do these tasting videos is I'm learning how to differentiate the differences in flavours in beers, ciders and other drinks. And I'm here to do it in front of everybody and see if I can get some correct results and see if you guys can correct me. If you can. I mean, it's all about the personal taste. Today I'm doing a Zeffer Cider Co. Premium Craft of New Zealand. It's alcoholic ginger beer. Now, I was given a gift at Christmas time from my daughter-in-law, and it was a great gift, something that anybody should do at any time. This write-up on this is a makers of the Champion Cider 2017-2018 International Cider Awards. The alcoholic ginger beer is a spicy number with a unique Zeffer taste or twist. We've made this snappy drop using zingy fermented ginger root and our famous freshly crushed apple cider. Enjoy a gingery hit with a lingering finish. No nonsense, just real ginger beer. And cider crafted in sunny Hawke's Bay by a few friends. Yeah, so it is an apple cider, even though it says it's an alcoholic ginger beer. So let's taste it, huh? Let's crack it open. Got a nice little hiss happening, which is going to happen every time. Grab my Carlton beer glass. I broke my old one, and I've got to remember this is a cider, not a beer, so it's not going to have a head on it. Nice little pour there. You hear that? Look at that. Nice little beer with lots of carbonation in it. It's beautiful looking beer. It's actually probably the same colour. It's probably a bit lighter on the monitor that I'm looking at. It's a bit darker in person. We'll give it a smell. Of course, there's no head. It's just a ginger apple cider. You can smell the ginger hit straight away, but it's mild. It's not overly kicking. I'm guessing we're going to get a peppery taste. Smell a little bit of apple over that. Even a bit of pineapple on that. And I just got a bit of fizz up my nose. Anyway, we'll give it a taste, shall we? Oh, that's good. I do like a ginger. That's nice. It's got a nice little sweetness to it. It's almost like a lolly water. It's really, really fresh tasting. Its alcoholic content is 4.0. Is yeah, so it's not high in alcohol, which is great, and it's really tasty. Really good, fresh tasting beer, and you can taste the aftertaste of the pepper there, but I'm tasting a beautiful hit of apple. It's nice and cold. You know what it reminds me of? I've said this before. Sunny Boys. When I was a kid, we used to have these ice blocks called Sunny Boys. I don't know why they call them Sunny Boys. And it really does have that lingering flavour, not overly sweet. Yeah, great flavour. I'm not tasting any hits of anything bad. I'm not even tasting any yeast in there. It's really, really tasty. That's a good one. I really like that. I've got to remember that. Made with fresh cider. Now, I don't know if that means that they made the cider, then added ginger, or did they ferment it all together? I'm not sure, but the hit is beautiful. That pepper taste is there. It's just really nice. It's not overbearing. That is a good beer, or a ginger beer, or a ginger cider. It's very, very sweet. Really nice. It's a pretty warm day today. This is going down very easily. It shouldn't, but it is. Oh my God, the pepper's building. The pepper is building in my mouth now. Yeah, very tasty. I like it. I enjoyed that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This was an excellent drink. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.